If you've been struggling to keep track of leads without spreadsheets, you're not alone. Spreadsheets can be a pain to maintain, and they don't offer the flexibility and automation that modern businesses need to stay organized. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you a better way to track your leads without relying on those cumbersome spreadsheets. Stick with me until the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial of the software I'll be using today, just for you. Now let's dive in. The first thing you need is a streamlined way to manage all your leads in one place. Forget about the cluttered rows of data in spreadsheets. The software we'll be using today automatically organizes your leads, saving you time and effort. Once your leads are added, they're instantly categorized by status, like new, contacted, interested, and so on. No more manual updates and no more lost leads. Next, let's talk about automation. With this software, you can set reminders and follow-up tasks for each lead, so nothing slips through the cracks. It'll notify you when it's time to follow up, schedule a call, or send an email. This eliminates the need to rely on your memory or dig through old spreadsheets to check what you need to do next. The great part about this tool is the ability to integrate with your email and calendar. When you set up appointments with your leads, everything syncs automatically. You won't have to manually input meeting times or worry about missing important dates anymore. Another huge benefit of using software over spreadsheets is collaboration. If you're working with a team, this tool allows everyone to see real-time updates. No more emailing spreadsheets back and forth, and everyone can stay on the same page with the latest lead info. Now, you might be wondering, what software are you using and how can I try it for myself? Well, I've got a special treat for you. I've tested out several popular options and this software stands out. It's intuitive, easy to set up, and scalable as your business grows. And the best part? You can get an exclusive free trial just by clicking the link in the description below. This offer is only available for viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it while it's available. To summarize, here's what you need to remember. First, using software instead of spreadsheets helps you stay organized and saves you time. You get automation, integrations with your email and calendar, and real-time team collaboration. And finally, don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description below so you can follow along and improve how you track your leads. So, the key takeaway from this video is that tracking leads without spreadsheets is possible and it's a whole lot easier with the right software. Make sure to check out the free trial and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Thanks for watching.